Kung particular ka nga sa quality ng bahay, ma-appreciate mo tong brand new modern 2-story house dito sa BF Resort Village, Las Piñas. Pagpasok mo, makikita mo agad ang double height ceiling na may magandang chandelier. At furnish, kasama na yung appliances and furniture. Ito nga ang iyong living set. Meron ding dining set dito. At parehong may flat screen TV. Ang kitchen kumpleto na rin. Merong ground floor bedroom. Meron tong total of 4 bedrooms plus maid's room at lahat may own bathroom. May lot area na 144 square meters. Ang floor area nasa 265 square meters. Ito yung kanyang helper's room na may own bathroom. Panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo yung price and full details. Pati yung second floor, nasa comment section yung link. Follow and subscribe ka na ha kasi dito mo makikita ang dream house mo. Nasa loob nito ng safe, gated and flood-free subdivision.